Meron na, may amount na. Yung GAA, may yung enrolled bill na dumating sa Office of the may amount na.
Correct. Which later on he signed. The president signed.
After the review. Kasi nag-request siya ng extension, di ba? Na gi-move na yung signing kasi i-review doon niya.
Now, Congressman Sid, with this development now, we found out that the bicameral report was there were items na blanco but napirmahan na. What could be the implication on this in this particular matter, especially to the office of the president?
Actually, the budget is highly questionable. Kung akong tatanungin, iakyat na yan dapat sa Supreme Court kasi napirmahan na ng presidente.
Sid, matanong kita, when would be the earliest event that could discover